So, one of the best things we can do at the start of each day, or like right now at the start of the week, is to be really clear what our intention is for the week. So, ideally, it needs to be something that's within our control. Perhaps it's the intention to listen to others a little more. Maybe it's to not get so caught up or overwhelmed by our thinking. Maybe it's to be a little more patient. Whatever it is, again, make sure that it's something that you can commit to, something that you can choose to do, and something that feels practical, that you're able to do on a daily basis. And the clearer your intention is, the more likely it is to happen, and the more likely you are to experience the benefits. So just as a way of sort of starting that off, if you just take a moment now, just take one big deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. And as you breathe out through the mouth, just gently closing the eyes, feeling the weight of the body pressed down, the feet on the floor, the hands on the legs. And as you pause to enjoy that feeling, having stopped, having nothing to do, just be really clear in your mind without thinking too much about it, just clear and confident in your mind about what that intention is. So that intention requires a steady, gentle focus throughout the week. Remind yourself at the beginning of each day, at the end of each day. Don't give yourself a hard time if it doesn't happen in every moment. Just a steady, gentle commitment. Just stay with that feeling of the breath for a moment. That rising and falling sensation in the body. And then just gently bringing the attention back once again to that feeling of contact, of weight, and the space around you, the clarity of that intention. And then whenever you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again.